I wanted to talk a little bit about organization, and I'm going to try to do something a little untraditional with you. I want you to think about how your paragraphs are organized, the sentences within your paragraphs. And then I want you to think about how you organize the paragraphs themselves, in what order. Okay, now I want you to watch what I'm doing here. Bear with me, this has a point. So, hang on a second. You can see I have here a bag. Can you see this bag? Let's see if I can get it on the tape. Now, on this bag, in this bag, there's a different group of things. So I'm going to dump out my bag here onto the floor. What's here? Wow, sir, look at all this stuff. I have markers, a wallet, some picture frames, books. How do you suggest I categorize these things? Now there's an iPod. Okay, let me think about this. I think I'm going to organize, snacks. I see some snacks in here. I even see some earplugs. That's interesting. You never do know what's in your bag. Okay, now I think I'm going to organize it like this. I think I'm going to put, let's see, I'm getting down on the floor here. I'm going to put all the, there's even a pair of socks. I'm going to put all the books in one pile. Here's a paper, I'll put that in with the books. Here's a movie, I'll put that in with the books. Snacks, I've got peanuts, granola bar, caramels, lots of snacks over here. Okay, so pens. I'm going to put my pens all together. Mentos, some snacks. Pens go here. We see electronics. I have my iPod here. I have a watch. And then, I guess, personal items, maybe? I notice I also have these picture frames. I think I'll just make a miscellaneous pile, which is my pile with socks, picture frames, and I'm probably actually going to put these things up. I'm going to get rid of these things. Put these on my desk, put these in my bedside table, and put this in the laundry. Okay, folks, this is exactly what you need to do with your essays. You need to organize your thoughts into groupings that make sense. And then whatever doesn't fit, you need to put it up or throw it away, delete it, or reorganize it. You need to take those paragraphs that are about the same topic or idea and group them together the way I've grouped together all this junk in my bag. And yeah, no, that was really what was in my bag. I didn't do that just for this lesson. Now, could I have grouped these differently? Sure, I could have. For example, the iPod and the watch, those are both things that I use when I run, and so are the socks. So I could have put those together. And then my wallet over here, I could have put the wallet and the pens together. Maybe those are things I need for class because my wallet has my business cards in it. And the food could have even been organized into healthy and unhealthy food, since I have peanuts and caramels in a granola bar there. So do you see what I mean? You can do this in a number of ways, but the important thing is that you at least think about how your ideas should be organized. How should your paragraphs be organized? Should they be organized according to the topic? Can you divide them into subtopics? Should you move in chronological order? Should you move in the order of space? Should you block it if it's a comparison essay, or alternate if it's also a comparison essay? If you're arguing, are you going to move back and forth between what you believe and what the opposing view is? Or are you going to set up the opposing view and then get into what you believe? Think about it. You need to group your ideas into groups. You need to group your ideas into groups, pardon the redundancy. And another thing that could help is to outline before and after you write an essay. That's what I do, because things usually don't go as planned. And so I like to outline after I draft just to see if my ideas will fit into an outline and where I got off track, so I could either reorder or delete. All right. I hope this helps while you're revising Essay 2 and preparing for Essay 3. Thank you.